Hey guys, oops, I'm kinda late, but you know what? Hey, today we're doing an eyebrow tutorial. Very interesting, very easy, and the things you will need: one, spoolie, two, eye pencils, whichever you like. You can have a variety of shades, but just go with a natural tone. A nice angle flat brush, like that's a must. A beauty blender, of course. Why should we leave it? And we also have a fluffy brush for blending. All these are for blending the brush and the beauty blender. Then we have our concealer and our foundation and some pressed powder that we'll use to set everything and bring things in place. So let's begin. First of all, you're going to brush your hairs upward. Remember, upward is always better. It makes your eyebrows fuller and thicker. Then you're going to measure on the brim of your nose and draw a straight line as shown in the video. It's very simple. Just use your eyes and practice. Practice, 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 practice makes perfect. Guys, I'm so serious about the practice part. Anyway, you see this corner? Yes, that's where we're going to put our next mark. We're going to have 3 marks. So it goes from where you have that ka-tip, that ka-boing boing thing in your nose, to the corner at the topmost of your eyebrow. And then you draw the line, just as shown. And the last part will be the tail, which you guys will see how I come about it. I hope it's very self-explanatory. Like just by watching, I hope you guys understand. But if you don't, feel free to ask any questions. Feel free to share this video with anyone who you know is struggling with eyebrows. Eyebrows, it's just drawing them right. Once you draw them right, everything else will be a breeze. Eyebrows make up a whole look. So now that we have those 3 sections demarcated so nicely, we can go ahead and fill lightly, gently. Please hold your pencil at the tip. It will help you not draw too dark, or if it's too flimsy at the tip, because sometimes you don't have balance, just hold it in the middle and feel free to wipe if you feel like you've messed up with your finger. Even as makeup artists, we're not perfect, but you have a vision. You know how your natural eyebrows look. So you follow the shape of your natural eyebrow and just give it a shape, give it body, give it some curves, give it juice. That's all it needs, some TLC. Anyway, as you can see, this other side is looking like and this other side is already looking peng, like you can already see. So my videos disappeared. I don't know where they disappeared, guys. I am so sorry. But here I've already concealed using my concealer, and at the top I used my foundation. Same process, just like when you're using your eye pencil. Slowly, I'll do a video just on that, because since it skipped so I used that mascara from Maybelline for the brow perfector. That's what I filled it in with, and boom, my brow was done. Look at me, look at how I slayed. This look came together so well, so simple. And PS, this is before I delivered, so your girl is strong. Anyway, see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.